Welcome to the channel. This is Fix Blurry Photos with Remini. So, first thing is download and install Remini application, and it will be available on the Google App Store. Now, once you have downloaded it, you just simply open the application, and now it will load up. Now, from here, you will just simply select Get Started. And from here, it will ask us a question, what bring us here? So I'm gonna go for fix blurry photos. So tap on this one and now tap on accept all and continue and tap on continue down below. And from here, what gender are we? I'm gonna go for male. And from here, just simply allow access to your media. Tap on allow. And from here, it will open up your gallery and just simply go ahead and select the picture that you want from your gallery. And from here, this is just an example picture of my speaker. So tap on enhance over here. So guys, after recording this video, the application doesn't let me record this part. So I will put an arrows for you to understand more. So after this one, you will have a comparison of before and after a picture. And down below, you should have colors over here, the arrow, and you could adjust the color and you could change the background as well here on the arrow. And you could just simply select save on the top right corner over here. And after that, it will be automatically be saving to our gallery. And down below, you could enhance another one. And that's simply about it. I hope this video helped you understand more. If you do, leave a like and thanks for watching.